Hello students, I am Mrs. Divya Soni from Ma Kalyanika Public School, Bengaluru. Today we are going to learn something about adjectives. What are adjectives? Adjectives are actually the words that qualify the noun. Qualify the noun means that makes the noun something special. That tells about the noun of what type, of what number, of what intensity it is. So we can say it qualifies the noun. Qualifies means it shows the quality of the noun, or it specifies the noun that is the adjective. Take for example, Hamid is a great soldier. What kind of soldier is Hamid? Hamid is a great soldier. What type? Great soldier. So great word here indicates an adjective. So we can say that adjective is a type of word which qualifies the noun. Is it clear, students? What it is? It is a word that qualifies the noun. There are 5 types of adjective. The first type of adjective is the adjective of quality. Quality means of what quality, of what type the noun is, that shows the quality of the noun. Here I have shown you the example. Hamid is a great soldier. Of what type of soldier it is Hamid? Hamid is a great soldier. Great word is showing that which quality of soldier Hamid is. Here Mumbai is a big city. Which type of city it is? It is a big city. So big word here indicates what? Adjective of quality. Okay, is it clear? The first type of adjective, what type of adjective it is? Adjective of quality. Quality means it shows what type of a noun it is. It is known as adjective of quality. Example is Mumbai is a big city. Now the second type of adjective. What type? Adjective of number. As the name indicates, when you are describing about any number, any quantity. Quantity means weighing or that which we cannot count is known as the quantity. Okay. So when we are talking about any number, any quantity, that means we are talking about adjective of quantity or number. Here example are given. He has much money. Which money? He has got much money. Much money means a great deal of. Okay. The second, 4 boys ran. How many boys ran? 4. Okay. So the word 4 and much here indicates the quantity and the number which a noun is showing. So this we can say that it is the adjective of number or quantity. Now the next is demonstrative. Demonstrative means whether the noun is present, where the noun is present, here or there. At present, the noun is present in front of you or at a distance. That is the demonstrative. When we have to demonstrate anything, if we put the article in front of you, in front of a person, or when it is demonstrated, it can be far away from us also. So this, that, these and those, these word indicates what? Demonstrative adjective. See, here are the examples. This is my pen. This word is indicating that this is my pen. Okay. Look at that tree. Tree is far away from us. So look at that tree. That word is indicated demonstrative adjective. Now the fourth type is interrogative. Interrogative adjective means when we have to interrogate someone. Okay, that is the interrogative adjective. What is your name? The words like what, how, where, which. These words indicates an interrogative adjective. Interrogative means to question, to ask some question. That is the interrogative adjective. Here the word what. What is your name? What word is indicated? Interrogative adjective, which banana you want? Which one is also indicating interrogative adjective. The fifth type of adjective is possessive adjective. Possessive adjective means who is possessing that thing, that noun. This book is mine. My sister lost her phone. Okay, so this or mine is indicating whose pencil is this. Okay, her phone. Her word is indicating whose phone was that, was lost. Okay, so the word that indicates whose article is that is known as the possessive adjective. Is it clear, students? Let us revise once again. What is adjective? Adjectives are the words that qualifies noun. What are they? The words that qualifies noun is known as the adjective. Hamid is a great soldier. What type of soldier is Hamid? Great soldier. So great word is indicating the adjective. Okay, now the types of adjective. The first type of adjective is adjective of quality. The adjective that is showing the quality of any article or any noun is known as the adjective of quality. Mumbai is a big city. Which type of city is Mumbai? Mumbai is a big city. Big word is indicating what? Mumbai is a big city. Okay. The second type of adjective is adjective of number or quantity. The word that from where we can know how much number of noun or how much quantity of noun is present is known as the adjective of number or quantity. He has much money. Here the much word is indicating the quantity of money a person is having. In the next sentence, 4 boys ran. How many boys ran? 4 boys. The word 4 is indicating the number. Number of boys ran. So here the much and 4 word is indicating what? The number or the quantity. Okay. So we can say that much and 4 are the number of adjective of number and quantity. Now the next type of adjective is demonstrative. When we have to demonstrate something, we put an article in nearby to us or at the far to us. So this is my pen. Okay. So where is your pen? This is my pen. Okay. It is very close to it. When the object is very close to it, which word you use? This, or for the plural we use these. Okay. For a singular object we use this, and for plural what we use? These. Okay. Now look at that tree. That tree that is far away from us, that indicates singular. Singular. Only one tree is there, and for many trees what we will use? Those. Okay. So these 4 words indicate what? Demonstrative adjective. From these 4 words we can know that the adjective is of demonstrative type. Now the fourth type of adjective is interrogative adjective, where we ask question. The word which indicates question is known as the interrogative adjective. Take for instance, what is your name? Here the what, which banana you want. The what, which, how many people were there, which route to take. So this type of words which indicates question are known as interrogative adjective. The words which indicates what? Question is known as interrogative adjective. The fifth type of adjective is possessive adjective. In this type of whom the article belongs or whom the object belongs is known as the possessive. Here is the sentence, this is my pencil. My word is indicating whose pencil it is. Okay, so simply you are describing any object, so we can say that it is a positive degree. When two things are compared with each other, then you can say that it is a comparative degree. In this type of adjective, we put er, or if the word is compound, then we use the word more. What we use, if the word is simple, in simple word we use er, and in the compound word we use what? More. Why compound? Because this beautiful is been made by two words, beauty and full. So when the word is formed by adding two words, then it is known as the compound word. And in the compound word, what word we have to use? More. And if it is a simple word, then simply we can use er or ier or doubling of the last letter of the word. It depends on the adjective, which adjective we are using. Now the superlative degree. When we compare more than two objects and choose the best out of it, okay, or the worst out of it. So when we are comparing more than two objects, then it is known as superlative. The words which indicates is est or the most. Which word is indicated? est or the most. And in the superlative degree, always the article the is used. Remember this thing. Okay, we can identify that superlative degree by est or the most. If the adjective is preceded by most or est is added to it, then we can say that an adjective is superlative degree. If er is added or it is preceded by more, then we can say that the adjective is comparative, and if it is written in a simple form, then we can say it as a positive degree. Okay? Have you understood this? All the